Today we are going to say how to make top plate from this press tool assembly. Now let's start it. Here is the one square and 4 holes and one beam. The dimensions of this square is 250 and 150. Select plane, then sketch option, and from here select rectangle from the center, make it, and then use this constraint option. After double clicking on it, you can give dimensions. Here is the 250 and here is 150. Let's make circle. The one circle and its diameter is 30. No, it's 25. And again this distance, it's one-sided distance and this is one-sided distance. It's 30 and it's 30. Now use this mirror command, select this circle and then axis. After that select it and this and this. Then exit to workbench and then pad command. Let's see the thickness. The given thickness is 30. Write it 30, right here 30 and enter. Now select this plane on which you want to sketch our next beam, then draw option, then here is the 50. The diameter of this circle is 50 apart from this line up to 100. Okay, let's draw it. Dimensions, diameter is 50 and the distance from here to here is Control Z. The distance the distance is 100. Enter it and then exit to workbench. Then here is the pad command, select it and the given length of beam is 90, so here 90 and see, this is our sketch is ready. Top plate is ready. Thank you so much.